Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you the best way to learn Chinese using Learn Chinese app that you can download through the Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened up my Google Play Store, and in here search in ChineseSkill. Here it is. And as you may have noticed, I have installed it already. So Learn Chinese is the must-have app for all Mandarin Chinese beginners. This app includes 500 plus fun and engaging mini lessons that will teach you everything from Pinyin to Chinese grammar and train your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. So before we open it, let's take a look at the features available. So Learn Chinese the easy way. Learn Chinese with native speaker. Practice writing from characters to sentences. Build vocabulary with a variety of games. Speak up, engage in conversation. Level up from easy to hard topics. Have fun with interactive exercises, and so on. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is the home page. As you can see, we're currently on the dashboard or home page. And if we press this one here, you will see these options available. So main course, we have selected the main course. You can proceed to the arcade, which is for games, for sharpening your Chinese skills. Speak up where 200 plus situational dialogues for China living, and pronunciation, learn Pinyin and pronunciation rules, and so on. So let's start in here, the beginner. So hello, let's select lesson 1. So quick reminder, type a word in sentence to check its detailed explanation. So here it is. So select hi, ni hao. Here it is. Checked. There, you are correct. You will, if you press this, you will hear a sound, a Chinese voice. Okay, press continue, and then so as you can see, you have to pronounce this word properly. So it's ni hao, and then you can proceed to the next step, and then Chinese. So here it is. Let's try this one. There. So Zhongguoren, so American. This one. There. Migoren. So this is a part where a video is played and you will choose the correct answer. So I'm going to skip this part since I'm still not good in Chinese. So if we go in here to the settings, you will see this format: Pinyin, Hanzi, characters, both. So I prefer both. Sound effects is enabled, animation as well. Font size, you can increase the size or lessen the size like this. So audio speed, you can also increase it, but I prefer 100%. So I'm just going to leave everything as is in here and press OK. So this one here is, you have the option to choose a voice. So 2 choices: female voiceover, fast version, and there's a slow version. So I prefer the default one, the fast version. This one here is where you can read the information about this particular word, like for example ni hao, which is hello. So it's a common way to say hello. So it's a definition, it's a word with definition. There, goodbye. So you can read all the details in here for this particular lesson. So let's go back to the home page. So there's a pop-up in here. Yes, I have to go now. Let's try that. So we're not done with the lesson 1. We can proceed to lesson 2 if we're already good at lesson 1. So in here you see these 3 options. So if you want to mute it, then just press this. So again, there's a pop-up message that says all audio exercises are temporarily disabled, the silent study mode. So meaning you will not hear any voices. So don't show again or OK. Just press this one here to unlock it. And if you want to download a particular lesson, then just press this one here. As you can see, it's now downloading. There, it's complete. So you can learn this lesson offline without having to connect to the internet. And this one here is the word of the day, words that we have practiced so far. So hello, ni hao, Chinese, and American. So you can practice more if you want to, but let's go back in here. Actually, you can, if you're already good with Chinese language, then you can just proceed to anywhere in here. So if you're already an intermediate level, then you can just proceed to the topic that you're interested. Like for example, travel. You can go to travel and start from here. And the same thing, you can download travel if you want to by pressing this one here at the top. So let's go back. You can proceed directly to the topics that you are interested to learn. Like for example, delivery in here, there. So review is where you can review all the lessons that you have studied so far. So right now I don't have anything in here yet. And discover tab is where you can learn Chinese and play at the same time. So as you can see, there's an arcade in here, memory castle. Let's try the word express there. So you learn Chinese while playing at the same time there. So I'm not going to play this. I'm still not familiar with Chinese. So there we have to choose. Okay, I don't know the meanings. Okay, let's just go back. I'm not familiar with these characters yet, so let's just go back to discovery. And in discovery you can play with the travel, lifestyle, people, food. And let's try the toolbox character drill. So here, characters. So 1, it's going to look like this in Chinese. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 10. Soil, earth. Wood, flavor, dry. Half, bun. Upper, shang. Underneath, sha. And so on. So there's a lot to learn with this app. As you can see, you can scroll down and there's plenty of it. Then let's go to me tab. So in here you have the option to log in. So in here you have the option to create an account and then see the progress you have made every day. So far I don't have any progress yet, since this is the first time I installed this on my phone. So current learning there, recommendation, old course, Panda toolbox. So there's plenty in here that needs to be learned. Settings is where you can customize this app. So if you want to change the voice pack, so there's only 2 options for the voice pack, the slow version and the fast version. So I prefer the fast version. And Chinese text format, I prefer both as well. Characters, simplified Chinese is good. And account, manage your account. Animation is enabled, sound effect is enabled, mode is auto, clear cache data. This is where you can clear cache and cookies. If you think it's kinda laggy or slower, then you can clear cache data. So let's go back. Backup is where you can back up all your progress to your cloud storage. There, as you can see, you can connect your online storage in here and back it up. Help center is where you can find the frequently asked questions. As you can see in here, if you scroll down, you will see this questions. Can I use Chinese skills on different devices? Then just tap it and you will see the answer. So just tap one question and you will see the answer. So let's go back and contact us is where you can contact the developers. So let me just go back. So play along with this app. It's really useful if you're planning to go to China, if you're planning to learn Chinese, then this app is for you. So homepage, you can play games while learning Chinese, since this app has an arcade. So ChineseSkill's core curriculum is designed by professional CSL Chinese as a second language teachers in accordance with the unique characteristics of Mandarin Chinese. So features again available professionally designed curriculum optimized for total beginners and customized for the Chinese language grammar structure. Automatic speech assessment. Start speaking Chinese immediately. Learn by playing lessons, and challenges are presented in a gamified style. Offline learning is also available. Both simplified and traditional Chinese are supported. Display Chinese Pinyin characters or both. Multiple practice modes. Original exercises types will help you memorize new information and reinforce learning faster than done with textbooks, and so on. So what are you going to learn? You will learn a lot. So it has 400 plus grammar points, 1000 keywords and phrases, 1500 plus essential Chinese characters, and so on. So just play along with this app, and you can even listen to HD recordings from native speakers. Every sentence can be played in both slow and normal pronunciation speeds. So this app is really useful. That's it for today, and I hope that you have enjoyed learning. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.